So welcome to our channel. Today we are going to create this part. We are going to use Solidworks 2023. I hope you will like it. So the dimensions gives you, so this is the length 115 millimeter plus this one 50 radius 200 millimeter of length, and the width it is 100. So 50 radius times 2 100. This is straight throat with 50 length and 30 diameter. So this length it is 90 length from the base. You see, 90 length from the base up to the center of this inner circle. So the width of this one it is 30 millimeter. So diameter of inner circle, extrude cut inner circle, it is 45. The radius of this outer circle it is 45. I hope you like it. So let's start. Open Solidworks, then choose new part, say part, then click OK. So make white plane. So choose top plane, a sketch, choose center rectangle. OK. So assign dimension, choose small dimension, then apply this 100 millimeter. Apply this length 200 millimeter. So it is predefined. So choose circle, draw one circle. OK. So choose small dimension, give this circle 100 diameter. OK. Then select this side, place control with this circumference, make it tangent. OK. Select this point, control with this one, make it horizontal. Yes, it becomes predefined. OK. Choose trim. Trim this unnecessary part. OK. So this yes. Then say yes. So let's extrude. Features, extrude. So the base of this one, you see the base of this one, it is 30 millimeter. Yes. So extrude up to 30. Say yes. Select this face, normal. So choose straight throat. Start by this origin, make slot, yes. So assign dimensions. The length of the slot is 50 millimeter. The diameter of slot is 30 millimeter. Yes. Rotate. So rotate. The slot is extrude cut through hole. So go to features, extrude cut, apply condition through hole, say yes. So select this face, normal, select the face sketch. So choose corner rectangle, start by this one. OK. So the length from this base up to this one it is 19. It means the length of this one it is 60. OK. So the length of this also it is 19 millimeter. Yes. So let's apply circle. Let's add circle through origin. Choose small dimension. The diameter of this one it is 19. millimeter. Okay, so choose trim. This unnecessary part, say yes. So choose circle, draw inner circle with the same origin, same center. So apply diameter of this inner circle, it is 45. Yes. Okay, so let's try to rotate. So go to features, extrude both base. You see, so the width of this one, it is 30 millimeter. You see, this is the one, this is good. So then change direction, select this one to change direction. You see, this is nice. So then say yes. So my sketch now is good. So let's try to mirror this one to another side. So select this extrude boss, choose mirror entity, mirror about this front plane. You see, it is going to be on another side. Then say yes. So friends, this is how to design a simple part in Solidworks software. I hope you have liked the video. So subscribe to our channel to get more. So friends, thank you.